Hi everyone, hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. I hope you had a really good weekend. I hope you have a really good week moving forward. Okay, and hopefully we find a bottom soon for XRP. You can see that all our targets have been met so far. Not only, channel's a bit different because we always give you a projection. Okay, but we'll always show you the intraday opportunities that you can jump in on. And right now we said to you, just if you lose support, go short. And you can see from this moment right here. When this particular level of resistance was lost, right now that was our target of around about 17%, so it was a fantastic short opportunity, and it's currently 19% with a projection of a potential 28% short opportunity right there for XRP. So that's amazing. That's really good for any of you that took that trade on. Okay, like I said to you, lose support, go short. There was a couple of trades in here, obviously, which was showing you was this ascending triangle right here, and obviously this is the destination of the triangle. We said if you lose support, go short, and you can see right there when XRP lost that level of support, came back up, tried to have a go at resistance. That was confirmation, okay, that you lost support, basically turned into resistance right there, and then obviously it's carried out the extension. So that's been fruitful. And as you can see as well, there was also another little pattern that was emerging for XRP in my last update. I think it was a little head and shoulders pattern on the hourly time frame there, with that left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Again, I said to you, lose support, go short, and you can see that particular extension carried out as well. So these are the opportunities that are here. Okay, obviously we've got a projection of XRP going to the moon. Obviously, with the SEC case over its head as well, it's going to be fruitful in the long term. But in the short term, XRP is basically consolidating and coming down to key levels of support for continuation right here. Now we've got this level of support right down here that we're a target. We've had this for quite a while. If you do start to see XRP roll over any more, okay, because at the moment this is the low for XRP. I'm going to drop this in for you. This is the absolute low for XRP at the moment. That particular level there, 0.65. So if you do start to see XRP close any lower than that, I would anticipate that you are going to come down and retest this low just here for XRP, okay? And that would be a further 7.42% depreciation roughly from that particular 0.6536, because that's a low at the moment. That's the local low, okay? And potentially you might just bounce there and start to come back up, because some of the levels are looking really, really good for a bottom at the moment, and I'll show you those in a second. But if you do start to lose this level of support, this is a key level of support which you will see XRP bounce off. So like I said to you, put cheeky bids on these levels, because these are where you see the recoveries right here, okay? Now what I'm going to do is show you on the weekly time frame. Just here on the weekly, you can see that is tying up with the 55 EMA, okay, which is a really good area of support, and also the stock RSI is in the floor as well. And you look at each time that the stock RSI is in the floor for XRP, okay, look at it, just look, boom, just there. That's the absolute lowest that XRP has ever been, and it's actually coming to that position right now on the weekly time frame. Look there, bounce, up a bit but bounce, but just right there you come into it right now. So you are potentially coming to the bottom here for XRP. I'm not saying it's a complete bottom, but I'm saying it's a good area to put a long opportunity in, okay, or just put some cheeky bids in, because this is where you will see the bounce, because the selling can't go on forever, okay? Just like here, the capitulation, it runs out of steam, the sellers run out of steam, and this is where you start to form the reversal patterns right now for XRP. Obviously you've got a breakdown target. 55 EMA on the weekly is a fantastic target, and you can see it's actually creeping up above our initial target of 0.6068. So far all targets have been met, haven't they, in this downtrend? We will keep you updated with where our targets are in the downtrend, and obviously once we do start to form the reversal pattern, which will come for XRP, and once we do get that reversal pattern confirmation, okay, and we're breaking outwards and upwards of resistance levels, then obviously we're going to give you upper targets as well. So we'll always keep you informed on the channel. So right now, say for example, this is just projecting into the future right now, okay, as a primary example, say right now we do form a base on this 55 EMA, we do actually get down that low and retest the 55 EMA on the weekly, and we bounce off it as support, okay, you'll look and there'll be a wick there, and you'll be like, oh my god, why don't I put bids on it? Because it's what happens, okay? You see these EMAs act as really strong support. So let's say for example, towards a couple of months from now, XRP is starting to form a nice little recovery, consolidating, bouncing off the 55 EMA, starting to pick up. So let's say it does bounce off that 55 EMA over the next couple of weeks. Where did we top out? Just there, wasn't it? This is where you could see XRP, like we've shown you before, is go up onwards and upwards onto that new impulsive wave 1.618 extension up there of $4 plus, which would actually bring it to its previous all-time high for XRP. Yeah, that's basically it. I mean, it looks bad, but like I've shown you before, sometimes things to go up, they have to come down, okay? And this particular event just there where we rolled over, we were still bullish, okay? This is where XRP, I would have laid down a low just there onto this previous cycle top, and you can see it, this is exactly where it ran into steam for XRP, okay? Boom. And that's its projection. And again, it was in the floor, and people, oh, how can you give a projection? But this is what you do. This is technical analysis, okay? This is basically buying the floor just there at the moment. You can see the stock RSI, which I've just shown you. Look, stock RSI is almost in the floor. You know, if it goes any lower, it's unprecedented for XRP. And this is why you do anticipate these EMAs, especially the 55. Put some cheeky bids on it. You'd be really lucky if you actually come down that low, personally. But again, I've not got a crystal ball, okay? But yeah, that's XRP, okay? I will keep you informed on the downs and the ups. But we've got our long-term projections for XRP. But right now, we are having a bit of a sell-off in the market. If we do continue to fall from here down to the 55 EMA, that's a further 10% depreciation for XRP right there, okay? So hopefully some of you can get some cheeky bids in there for XRP. Take care, everyone. I'll be back tomorrow with another update on XRP. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay tuned. Bye-bye.